Honorable Chief Guest, Sri Sri Taralu Balu Jagadguru, Dr. Shivamurthy Mahaswamiji, distinguished guests and members of the Basava Balaga Muscat, dear friends, dear children, I extend my heartfelt greetings to all of you on this very auspicious occasion. I am indeed very privileged to be present for this year's Basava Jayanti. I missed this last year since I was not in Muscat. I congratulate the organizers of Basava Balaga Muscat for extending this invitation to me and to bringing the community here together to celebrate this great occasion, to celebrate the timeless teachings of Lord Basaveswara. As we gather to commemorate the birth anniversary of Lord Basaveswara, it is an opportunity to reflect upon the philosophy and teachings of this visionary saint of India. Lord Basaveswara, through his timeless wisdom, transcended the barriers of time and continues to inspire generations. His philosophy was rooted in the principles of social equality and human dignity. He vehemently opposed social discrimination based on caste, gender, or creed. His teachings emphasized the importance of treating every individual with respect and compassion, irrespective of their background. One of the most remarkable aspects of Lord Basaveswara's legacy is his use of poetry, known as vachanas, to spread social awareness and spiritual enlightenment. It is heartening to note that these vachanas are now available in 18 languages, and I am pleased to acknowledge the official release of these vachanas by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, reaffirming their cultural significance and priceless part of our heritage. I was just talking to Swamiji, and he mentioned to me, he showed me these vachanas which are now available at the click of a button on your mobile phones. And amazingly, he showed me in different languages, including in Hindi, in Urdu, in Tamil, in Telugu. And I'm really glad, Swamiji, that this great service that you have done to bring these vachanas to everybody's knowledge. And I am certainly going to benefit because I don't read Kannada, I don't understand Kannada, but I think this kind of app is really helpful to bringing these timeless teachings and making it available not just to Kannada-speaking people, but to everybody across India. Thank you. In the mosaic of India's diversity, and we are indeed a very diverse culture from north to the south, but Lord Basaveswara's teachings resonate deeply with all of us. Today, as India stands ready to take its place in the Committee of Nations as the fastest growing large country that we are very proud of, as we take steps in the new world of social media, fast changes, a globalized world, we realize that these teachings that Lord Basaveswara has taught us are even more relevant perhaps than when he first made them. They are like a guiding light. If you read them, and I have read a few of them, you know, the sheer timelessness that they contain, which are relevant to each one of us in our lives every day, is really remarkable. So therefore, as we confront the challenges of a modern day, let us draw inspiration from Basaveswara's ideals. Let us strive to emulate his principles of compassion, equality, and social justice. These principles never grow old. These principles are always important. And today, in a world which is torn by conflict, his teachings serve as a roadmap towards universal peace and universal harmony. I once again extend my gratitude to the organizers. Such events are also very important so that we are able to keep alive our traditions even as we are out of India. I always say this whenever I come to the Krishna temple, Swamiji, whenever we have functions here, either from Tamil Nadu or from any other place or Karnataka, you feel like you have come back to India. And that is something that I really appreciate. The colorful costumes of the women, of the children who will be performing on stage, really feel like you are back in your country. And that is something I really value, to keep this heritage alive in our hearts, to transmit this culture to our next generation is our responsibility. And I really congratulate the Basava Balaga for performing this function so well. Thank you very much. I'm blessed to be here, and warm greetings on this great occasion. And let us follow the ideals of Lord Basavesara in our life. Thank you.